knock on your front door may be a home renovation scammer. With tips on how to protect yourself, here's international real estate broker Felicia Raquel.
There's contractors that will come and try to get you to do your driveway, but they're using really, really low quality materials.
Look for the red flags.
If you feel pressure, they're highly pressure tactics, always urging you to act now, sign here, or pay deposit.
Do your research.
Google them and see if they are an actual company. Don't just go off the phone number off the business card, but if you Google it, try to see if these things actually match.
And finally, take a few precautions.
Take pictures of their license plates, take pictures of their business card. If you do need to report this to police, at least you have something of substance to give to them so that they can do a thorough investigation to help you.
With Real Estate and Renovate, I'm Ann Lavery.